The first of many Phillips. First of many Phillips.
But it's still pretty. Yeah, it's still pretty, that's for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your pen?
You know my pen.
Take your money. What happened? Oh, Jess, you must have. It's very pretty, right?
Yes. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas.
All right, Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Anniversary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.